Hello, students. Hi, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Yes? All can hear me? Okay, that's fine. Okay, guys. So today what we are going to learn, application of a trigonometry. So last class we have seen introduction to trigonometry, right? Yeah, tell me in introduction to trigonometry, what are the concepts we have learned? Anyone, please, anyone? What did we learn? Yeah, yes. Yes, introduction in that trigonometric ratios. Yes, and identities. Don't you remember? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, isn't it? Okay. Now, today's class, what we are going to see. So practically, how do we use trigonometry in day-to-day life? That is what we are going to see. Okay. So I'll be sharing my screen. Yeah. Hope all could see my screen. Yes. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to see application of trigonometry. See, actually, what is the application? So there is a very tall building is there. You want to measure the height of the building. Practically, do you think is that is possible? It is not possible. Yeah, it is not. It really does. And we are in a seashore, and there is a ship in the sea. We want to find how far seashore from the ship. That is what we want to calculate. Practically, by using a measuring a tape, or that is practically it is not possible. When there is a aircraft in the sky, you want to find how much height is the aircraft from the ground. The balloon or kite, something you want to calculate approximate height from ground to the kite. So that and all you want to calculate, you can use that trigonometry. Okay, so how do we do that? We have an instrument called the theodolite. When you come, if you study civil engineering in future, you will come to know that there is an instrument called theodolite that helps to measure the angle, vertical angles, horizontal angles. That is an instrument. Okay, so what is a practical application? Actually, the thing is, if there is this is the ground, this is a ground, and there is a tall building. This is a building. Okay. You want to find the measure. You are here. You want to find the height of the building. But this one you can calculate easily, isn't it? This distance you can calculate, but this distance is a bit difficult, isn't it? So what you can do from here, you can measure this horizontal distance, and using an instrument, you can find the angle. The top you can just view using that instrument. If you view the top from ground to how much angle, it shows the angle. So see, you want to, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, isn't it? So what is the relation between opposite and an adjacent? Yes, guys. Tan theta. So using tan theta, you can find the height of the building. So this is the way we apply trigonometry. Okay, so before going to see trigonometry, you have to learn, you should know the terms, that is line of sight. Line of sight, angle of elevation. Have you heard the words? Angle of elevation and angle of depression. Exactly. Okay, so what is line of sight? See, there is a person is here looking at the top of the So there is a person looking at the top of the building. So the line, so the high sight will be like this. So this, the line of sight. So this is called line of sight. Okay, that's it. And if there are see here, there is a small building. Here there is a tower. Okay, there is a person here. Okay, and he looks top foot of the building and top of the building. Okay, so here he looks down here, isn't it? This is called, when you have to, one thing you should know, you always measure the angle from the horizontal. Okay, so now the angle is rotated to measure downward. So this line is called angle of, this angle is called angle of depression. Okay, and when you come to this angle, you look upwards, isn't it? You raise your eyesight, isn't it? So this angle is called angle of elevation. Okay, you just make a note of, draw the figure and make a note of what do you mean by angle of elevation, angle of depression, line of sight, etc. Then we will see some sums, you will be more clear. Clear with that concept. Yes, make a note of it. Write the topic, application of trigonometry. Then start doing these things. Guys, if you copied, just raise your hand. Okay, dear. Okay. Okay. Now, what is given in the sum? See, if the figure is given, it's very easy. If the figure is not given, you have to draw the figure properly. The calculation, the solution is very, very, very easy. There is not much calculation, but the figure is very, very important. Based on the figure only, we do calculations. Okay. Okay, sorry. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Stop. Draw a tower. Okay, this is the ground. This is simply a symbol, denotes a ground or ground level, whatever it is. You no need to, you just simply draw a line. That's fine. I just simply I'm mentioning that way. That's fine. Okay, this is tower. Okay, so this is tower. Then from a point on the ground, you just mark a point. I name the point as P. From the point on the ground, which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. See, that means what this, I name the top of the tower as A, foot of the tower as B. So 15 meter, what they mentioned, 15 meter. Anybody? AB or BP or AP or what measurement is that? Very good, very good. So this is 15 meter. It's given 15 meter. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60. So from here, if you join a line, see the angle must be, so from ground level, always one thing you should know, the angle must be measured from horizontal line. Okay, that is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Height of the tower. So this is what? That is a question. So what I keep height as? I keep it as h. Okay. Now here this this measure okay, this measure this you want to find it out. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Obviously, the building makes 90 degree with the floor. This is a right angle triangle. So this must be what? This is opposite side and this is adjacent side, isn't it? So what is the relation between opposite and adjacent? Very good. So tan 60 degree is equal to what? Opposite side by adjacent. Adjacent opposite side is what? H. Adjacent side is 15. What is tan 60? What is the value of tan 60? Very good. Root 3 is equal to h by 15. So h is equal to 15 root 3. This is in meter. So this also must be in meter. This is the answer. So height of the tower is 15 meters. That's it. 15 root 3 meters. See that nothing is mentioned. You can give your answer in root 3. If the root 3 and measure is okay, I'll tell you when the sum comes. Okay, make a note of it. We will move to next sum. Have you copied? Okay, next. Okay, now if you see what is given in the sum, an electrician, this is see the figure first. There is a electrical post. There is an electrical post. This is a ladder and there is an electrician here. Okay. An electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. So the height of the pole is 5 meter. It's given 5 meter. Okay. See, height of the pole means the entire pole they mean. Okay. This is 5 meter. You should remember this is 5 meter. Okay, then she needs to reach a point 1.3 below the top of the pole. So here she is reaching, right? The ladder reaches here. So this measure is 1.3. This measure is 1.3 meter. Okay. Undertake the repair work. What should be the length of the ladder that she should use? So what is the length of ladder is what? That is a question which inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal would enable her to reach the required position. Also, how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? So what is the question? From the pole, how far the foot of the ladder? Then she could reach this point from top to 1.3 below 1.3 level. So what should be the distance between the foot of the pole to foot of the ladder and the length of the ladder? So these are the calculations you have to find. Guys, can you understand the question? Okay. So tell me, so we have to consider we have to consider right angle triangle. So I consider BDC. BDC. This is 60 degree And what about BD is what?
3.7 meter.
3.7. Very good. So this is 3.7 meter. So we want to calculate this and this. Okay, we will calculate one by one. Okay, we will calculate DC. So what is this? Is what? Opposite side, isn't it? This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. We will go one by one. The relation between opposite and adjacent is what? Yes. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side. Yeah, so 3.7 over adjacent. I write CD. So CD is equal to 3.7 over 60. What is tan 60? I'm sorry. What is tan 60? Root 3. So one thing you should know, third, that a root thing should not be in the denominator. You're supposed to rationalize. Have you heard the word rationalizing denominator? No? Yes or no? See dear, see if it is a 4 by root 3 is there. Okay, see there should be no root count in the denominator. Okay, so how do we remove root? By multiplying by same root 3, the root will get cancelled, isn't it? So what we are doing with the denominator should be done with the numerator also. So you can write 4 root 3 by 3. So this is called removing or eliminating root in the denominator is called rationalization. So the same thing we are doing here. 3.7 over root 3. So multiplying and divided by root 3 to eliminate the the root content. So this is the answer. Actually, what they are saying, if they give that value, you can apply and calculate that value. Now I am giving the answer in terms of root 3. That's fine. Okay, for time being. Okay, this is also in meters. In meters, so this is meter. Okay, dear. Next, so we found CD. This is CD is 3.7 root 3 by 3. We found. Okay, what is the idea to find ladder length? What trigonometric ratio wants to be used? Yes, anybody? Guys? What trigonometry? See, you know, you always what you do, what is given. So this is given, you know, this one is given. This you want to find. What is the relation between these two sides?
It's 2
You know, opposite side, you want to find hypotenuse. What should you use? Now, what is the relation? Opposite by hypotenuse is what? Sine theta. Who said sine theta? Correct. Very good. Sine theta. So you have to use. So sine 60 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. That is 5 by CB. That is length of the ladder, isn't it? So sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by CB. Further, if you solve, CB is equal to 5 times 2 divided by root 3. So that comes 10 by root 3. That also I told you, no root thing in the denominator. So you have to rationalize. So that it comes 10 root 3 by 3 meters. That's it. Make a note of it, guys. Wait 1 second. Sorry. Yeah. Yes, make a note of it. So you can write the conclusion. Okay, that's fine. This one, the foods are away from whatever you can, the length of the ladder is, you can write that way. Length of the ladder is equal to 10√3 by 3 meter. And distance between foot of the tower to foot of the pole and the ladder. Distance between the pole and ladder equals 3.7√3 meter. This way you can write the conclusion. Okay. Yes. Yes. Copied?
No.
Okay. What about the boy in the class? It seems he is not writing anything. Have you copied? Yes or no?
Copied, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Guys, can you understand, right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you don't get it, please ask me, okay? Don't keep mum. Is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See, anybody can read and explain the sum? Guys, anyone? Okay, the boy in the corner. Please, you just go through the sum and explain the sum. Yes. I can't hear you.
Ma'am, observer is 1.5 meters.
See, one by one, we will develop the figure. An observer 1.5 meter tall. Immediately, what should you do? You draw the figure. There is an observer. Okay. His height is 1.5 meter. Okay. Then.
Is 28.5 meter away from the chimney.
Okay. From a chimney. What is a chimney?
Kitchen.
No, not that chimney. This is like a lighthouse or something. Okay. That is called chimney. Okay. This is chimney. Okay, so what is this? This is the distance is 28.5 meter, isn't it? Okay, then.
Angle of elevation is 45.
So from her, if she looks, it makes 45 degree. See, I told you always the angle must be measured in the horizontal position. So from this, it makes 45 degree. Okay, I name all the vertices. Okay, so I name this as A, this is B, C, D, E. See, the trigonometric ratio applicable only to right angle triangle. The question is, what is the height of the chimney? What is the height of the, this is height of the, what is the height? This is the question, isn't it? Okay, solution. Now, what I do, I take the triangle, right angle triangle alone. I take that part. So this, if you draw A, D, B, and okay, this is 45, this is 45 degree, and this is, it is given 28.5 meter. Okay, you want to find this. Okay, tell me what is the idea? What trigonometric ratio to be used? This is opposite. This is adjacent. So you're supposed to use tan. So tan 45. Yes, BD over 28.5. So what is, so BD is equal to 28.5 times tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. So 28.5. So BD is equal to 28.5 meter. Okay, what about length? What about height of the chimney?
28.5 plus 1.5.
Very good, superb. Height of the chimney is equal to EC, that is ED plus DC. ED is equal to 28.5 and this is equal to 1.5, isn't it? So this measure is also matching. So this is 1.5 and this is 28.5. So this is 1.5. If you add 30 meters, that's it. Okay, guys, make a note of it. Copied? Shall we move? Okay. Yes. Okay, this one, anybody? Anyone, please? I can't hear you. So from a point P on the ground, what should you do? Immediately draw a line. So this is ground level, okay? This is ground level. There is a point. Let P be the point. Okay, P. Okay, then the angle of elevation of top of 10-meter tall building is 30. So there is a 10-meter tall building. The height of the building is given. This is tall building. The height of the building is 10 meter. Okay. And a flag, see, a flag is hoisted at the top of the building. So there is a flag here. The top of the building. The length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point. You have to find the length of the angle of elevation it is given that we haven't marked. See the, okay, wait, 1 second. The flag is at the top of the angle of elevation at the top of the flags. See, this is here it is given. See, from the ground point to angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30. So this is, it is given 30 degree. This angle of elevation is given, this is 30 degree. And there is a flag on the top of the tall building and angle of elevation to the top of the flag staff top. This is, it is given 45 degree. Yes, this is, it is given 45. Okay, now the question is find the length of the flag staff. So this length is what? This length is what? And the distance of the building from the point B. This distance is what? That is the question. Okay. So I name all the vertices to make it comfortable. This is P already I have given. This I name it as A. This is A. This is B. This is C. Okay. Now we will see. Now what I do, I take the triangle. I take the triangle PAB. PAB. See, AB is what? What is AB? Very good. This is 10 meter. This is 30 degree. And this we want to find, isn't it? So what is the relation to be applied? Yes, again, opposite by adjacent. So you have to apply tan theta, isn't it? So tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. That is equal to 10 divided by PA. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equal to 10 by PA. So PA is equal to 10 root 3. Yes, root 3 meter. Okay. Now we come to next triangle, that is PAC. Okay. So in this one, this is, we know, this is 45. This measure we know. This measure we calculated 10 root 3, isn't it? We want to find this. Okay, what is the idea again? Opposite, again opposite by adjacent. Again tan 45, that is equal to opposite by adjacent. That is equal to what? Opposite we don't know. So AC divided by 10 root 3. What is tan 45? That is 1, isn't it? AC divided by 10 root 3, which implies AC is equal to 10 root 3. Okay. But what we want to, we want the distance. Yeah, we want to find CB, isn't it? Okay. First we, okay. What is CB? That is length of the
Flagstaff.
Yes, flagstaff. That is equal to CB. That is what? CA minus AB. What is CA? What is AC or CA? 10 root 3 minus, both are 10 root 3.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
No,
Yeah. Okay. Wait. 10 plus 10. Yeah, I got it, dear. Okay, I got it. Yeah. So 10 root 3 minus 10. Okay, if you take 10 outside, √3 minus 1 meter. That's it. Okay. Yes. Make a note of it. Finished. Okay. Yes, this one. What is given? So there is a tower. First we will draw, there is a ground and there is a tower. Yeah. Standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter. The shadow of a tower standing on a ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. Yes, when the sun's altitude is 30 degree, the shadow, where you want to mark that 40 meter? I name it as A, B, C. So which measure is 40? Very good, very good. That is 40. This is the shadow, isn't it? When it is 60 degree, when the altitude is, okay. Oh, no. Wait. I think we made mistake. Let me check. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is 40 meter longer. 40 meter longer. Where is the cursor? Yeah, 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is than when it is 60 degrees. So this is also wrong. See the question, what it says, there are two kind of altitudes. One is 30 degree, other one is 60. Obviously, this must be 30 degree and this must be 60 degree. When you find the difference of two shadows, it makes 40 meter. Okay, when comparatively 30 degree altitude's shadow is 40 meter longer than 60 degree altitude. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now the question is you have to find the height of the tower. Okay, okay, let's see how do we do that. Okay, I take one triangle. Guys, can you understand the question? Or do I want to explain? Yes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I take one triangle. A, B, C. This you want to find. I keep it as H. Okay, this is 60 degree. Okay. Okay, then. Now, so, okay. Now this is so you have to consider this. I keep it as x. So what is the relation between h and x? This is again opposite side. This is adjacent. Yes. Okay. Tan 60 is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent. Yes, that is h by x, isn't it? So what is h? H is equal to, okay, uh, I keep h. That would be better, I guess. Okay. So what is x? X is equal to h by tan 60. What is tan 60? Root 3, isn't it? Yes, let it be. So x is equal to h by root 3. Let it be. Yes. Now you take another triangle. Another triangle I take. This is D, B, C. Okay, H, we keep this as, what is DB? Yeah, H, yeah, H, X plus 40. You are right. You are right. Yes, X plus 40. And this is 30 degree. Again, you have to apply the rule of tan. Tan 30 is equal to H by X plus 40. So what is X? X is X plus 40 is equal to H by tan 30. Tan 30 is what? Tan 30? 1 by root 3. Isn't it? 1 by root 3. So you can write root 3h, isn't it? Yes. So x is equal to, you can write x is equal to, okay, wait, I'll write some more steps, you will be more clearer. So x plus 40 is equal to root 3h. So x is equal to root 3h minus 40, isn't it? Now this is from 1 and 2. Both are x values. So you can compare, isn't it? You can compare. So 1 equal to 2. So h by 3 equals root 3h minus 40. What I do, I take like terms one side. Okay. I take like terms one side. So yes, I take 40 left hand side and that h by root 3 the other side. And I take h outside. What is left? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. I take LCM. What happens? If you take LCM, it becomes root. Yeah, very good. You are right. 2 by root 3 it comes, isn't it? 3 minus 1 by root 3. So that is equal to 2 by root 3. H 40. So H is equal to 40 root 3 by 2. If you simplify, 20. So 20 root 3. That's it. Okay. So therefore, height of the tower is equal to 20 root 3. Okay, guys. And next sum, I'll take a bit tricky sum. Okay, you copy it down. We will do the tricky sum. Okay. Write in order, guys. Don't get confused. Okay. See, first you have to write this. You have to write first. This is second. And yeah, this is second and this is third. That order you write. Okay. Yes, guys, have you done? Okay, do it. No problem. You have the sum in the book, right? Do you have the sum? Okay, because I'm referring different, but that what I received is a bit blurry. So I used different content, but I hope you have the sum in your book. Huh? Okay, that's fine. Okay, shall we move to next? Okay. Okay, shall we? Okay. Yes, guys, anybody read the sum? Yes, who raised your hand? What's the doubt? Yes. No doubt. Okay. Yeah, tell me what is given in the sum. See, angle of depression of the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building. See, there is an 8-meter tall building. Okay, so there is an 8-meter tall building. There is an 8-meter tall building. And there is another building. Okay. From a top of a multi-storied building, or both are depression. There is another building which is a multi-storied building. Okay, this is a multi-storied building. This is a tall building. This is a multi-storied building. So from this top of the building, we are looking, bottom and top of the tall building. So this is okay here. So this gives, if you draw a line, which one is 45, which one is 30? Top is 30, bottom is 45. Very good, 45. Okay, find the height of the multi-storied building. The height of the building is what? This is the question. Okay. And the distance between two buildings. This is also what? This is the question. Okay, I use different color. I name the vertices A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now, what I do, I take the triangle ACD. Solution. I take the triangle ACD, and this is 45. This is tall building we want to find, and this is also we don't know, isn't it? Okay, yeah, nothing is known. Yeah, it's okay. That's fine. This also we don't know. Let it be. Okay, but these two measures we know. We can apply. This is opposite side, right? This is opposite side. This is, I keep this as X, and okay, this is X, and this is, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, horizontal. I keep this as H. This is H and this is X. That would be fine. This is adjacent side. So what should be used? Again, we have to use tan. So tan 45 equal to, yes, guys. Opposite by, yes, adjacent. That is H by X. Tan 45 is 1 by H by X. So X is equal to H, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Then come to next second triangle. That is A, B. Okay. Now, so this is 30 degree and this is, let it be. This I keep it as X. Okay. This is AB. I just let it be. Okay. Now we want to find this. Again, you have to apply tan. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB by X. So AB is equal to X times tan 30. Tan 30 is what? So X by root 3, isn't it? AB is equal to X by root 3. Now what? We will see. Wait. You know that what is AC? AC is height of the multi-storied building. Height of the multi-storied building. That is equal to AC. That is AB plus BC. What is AB? AB is X plus root 3. Yes. BC is, what is BC? Very good. 8, isn't it? And yeah. And one more thing we have found, AC, we kept it as H, isn't it? See, AC, we kept it as H, isn't it? So H we found, H is again equal to X, isn't it? So H, this is H. So you can replace, yes, wait. You can replace H with X. So X is equal to X by root 3 plus X. Then I take like terms one side. So if I take X outside, 1 minus 1 by root 3, that is equal to 8. So X is equal to what? X is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 8. Then X is equal to 8 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. Actually, I told you there should be no root content in the denominator, right? So you have to rationalize. In this case, you have to rationalize means you have to do the conjugate. You have to add. See, this minus means you have to multiply with the plus sign. Okay, we know the concept, right? A square minus B square is equal to A plus B times A minus B, right? Okay, so that concept is applied here. Then it becomes 8 into 3 plus 8 root 3 divided by A square plus B square. So 3 minus 1. Yes. So if you simplify, so it will be
24 plus
yes, 24 plus 8 root 3 divided by 2. So you can take 2 outside. So 12 plus 4, even you can take, you can take even 8, you can take outside. That would be better. You can take 8 outside. What happens? 3 plus the root 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 times 3 plus root 3. So this is what? This is x and h. Okay, both are equal, right? So height of the multi-storied, height is also the same. Height and distance from distance between the buildings. Height of the multi-storied building is equal to distance between the foots of the building. Foot of the building. That is equal to 4 times 3 plus root 3 meter. That's it. Guys, can you understand this calculation? Yes? Okay, dear. Make a note of it. Wait, I'll raise the screen so that you can. See, by practice, calculation part is very easy. You have to draw the figure and if you work out, it will be fine. Make a note of it. Guys, copied? Okay, dear. Okay. Go ahead. Over dear, copied? Okay, yeah. Each and every step, understand and write it down, okay? Without understanding, simply don't copy. See, what should you do? That's all the concepts in this chapter. You must go through before next class. You must do all the rest of the sums in this chapter. And if you don't get any answers, please do let me know by Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday, we don't have class. By next class, whenever it will be.